What's up, everyone? Hope y'all are having a great day. I have some more epic Michigan footage coming up for you. It's a beautiful state that I love visiting, and I'm so glad I got to bring the drone this time. Did you know that pterodactyls live there? Me either. Watch till the end of the video to see what I'm talking about. Now sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Wait, before we get started, YouTube's telling me 86% of you aren't subscribed? What's up with that? Make sure to subscribe and turn on that bell so you don't miss out on any epic content in the future. The pterodactyls that I mentioned aren't actually pterodactyls, they are sand cranes, but that's what my family calls them, and it's for good reason. They sound like this, and look like this when they're flying, so I think it's a pretty fitting name. Alright guys, it's coming to an end. If you want more Michigan footage, let me know in the comments below. Let me know what your favorite part was. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. If you want to keep going down the rabbit hole, YouTube always picks another video for you right here. Have a good day.